Blair, it's amazing to learn that you've been a CrimSafe licensee for 25 years now. But tell us a bit more about keeping families safe in the home.
Look, Guardian has been helping our clients protect their homes and their families for 30 years, 25 of them being with CrimSafe. We've developed our plantation shutter that passes all the security screen standards in Australia.
Yes.
Plus, being a CrimSafe licensee, we can put these on doors, windows, patio enclosures, whatever you like. A good example is for fire egress. So now that I have a young family, I'm very conscious of the fact that if there's a fire in the home, how do I get my young children out? Well, the Safe Escape is a perfect option for that. It's locked internally, you can swing it either inwards or outwards, and you can pass the child out the window.
Yeah.
Our shutter is very much the same. Grab the key, unlock the shutter, and pass your family out.
Yes.
So perfect in those situations.
Yeah. So you've been keeping families safe for 30 years, 25 years working with CrimSafe. Great relationships with customers. So if you're looking to secure your home, pop into the Build and Design Centre, have a look at CrimSafe and Guardian screens and shutters range here 7 days a week at the Build and Design Centre.